Might as well check both fabrics while I'm here. Yeah. Sharp blade. We have 3 meters of terracotta, which is what's going on there. That one. Right, terracotta. Yeah, very nice. Alright. First step, I think, is to remove the top from the base. There's only 4 bits. 2 stainless steel hinges, which are very nice, brushed stainless, and 2 gas struts. I might go the struts first. Underneath, move that to the front. Yes, they should just pop off. There we go. Pop that out the way. Yep, might just pop that out from all of them. Feet. Tear tray. Oh, different, longer. Start with the base. Always start with the last piece to go on and work your way forward. 1 plastic hammer, my little custom staple removing tool, tiny Barco side cutters, and if I need to, some wire cutters. But let's see how much effort. Oh my goodness, this is going to be easy. The cover's practically brand new. I'm not into throwing shit in the bin for no good reason and putting that cost back on the client. Right, this is going to be my pattern piece. That's right, hang on, hold up. The base is screwed in. Let's pop this out, eh? Oh, look at that. Coming out. Oh, that's interesting. Pop that out. Like so. Pull out those staples. Right. Right. Next step. I'm always a next step kind of guy. You clean up all these staples that are on the damn ground because I want to jam into my shoes or my boots. Those on because you're a bit noisy. Unpick you from you. Mark you as well, so I know who you is. Coffee, check. Right, let's unpick that side because I can see the bloody thread. Okay. Oh no. Yeah. Righto. As they say, righto. Righto, Timbo. Whose siblings?
3 of Arthur's siblings.
Yes.
There were 6 of them. There's 3 left.
Right. Oh right. Oh right. There was 6. Well, Harley was similar.
They slept inside, and so they could do piddles and jollies and things. And so I.
What's up, buddy? Hi, how are you? Alright, let's get on either a brown or orange. Brown will probably look better. So all I'm doing here is just sewing those pattern pieces together that I cut. Very simple, just a stitch, no overlocking. Seam stitch, no overlocking, blip, and a top stitch. Super, super easy. Alright, and a little bit of an interlude. Let's see if this is accurate. All I'm doing here is just checking that my patterning is accurate. There's no loose corners or puckering. And if I'm happy with it, I'll move on to the next bit. Okay, happy with that. Pop that out of the way. Staple that tomorrow. Next step, sew the top. Let's go. Really. Is it short or long? I need to put something soft down on the surface. Move on to the top. You knocked that over a while ago. It didn't spill out, how about that? Right, so that is, without putting any hardware on it, it's the base. Right, unfortunately, we've got to finish this off while it's raining outside. Right, see if we got the right ones. Nice. Last corner. Super stoked with that. Okay, put that on. Just screw them back down. There we go. Oops. Right now I'm hunting at the end. Screw the top on and we'll call it done. Right, what do we got? Okay. Pop the struts back on. It's not that beautiful rain. Is it not amazing?
But I'm so frustrated.